Join us in this video as we cross the Gascoyne River, head towards the largest rock in the world, then on to Exmouth, one of our favourite places in Australia. Nice little water hole on the Gascoyne River. Just pulled over for a bit of a look. The bird life around these water holes was very impressive to see. It made a nice refreshing change from all the dusty tracks that we'd been travelling on. It was well worth getting up early to see the sunrise and the morning sunlight shining on Mount Augustus. At $2 a litre for diesel at the caravan park, we made sure to empty both our 20 litre jerry cans before refuelling. With Jodie being nearly 8 months pregnant, we decided to take one of the shorter hikes up the side of Mount Augustus. It was also a great opportunity to check out the Aboriginal carvings in the rock face. Oh, that is so comfy. Ah, there's ants, spiders. all the maps on the go. Pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Station track. Hoping we're going the right direction. Well, that's nearly what felt like 1,000,000 Ks on the gravel done and dusted. It's probably about 1,000 Ks. Actually felt pretty good to get back on the blacktop for once. Just camping at a rest area just outside of the turnoff to Exmouth. So I'll be hitting up Exmouth tomorrow, hopefully get a few waves, and hopefully it's not booked out, we can get in for a week or two. Not 100% sure what it is about this camper, but I actually love packing it up. Like getting all the canvas nice and neat, putting everything in its spot, folds up real easy, real nice. Bit of a weirdo like that, but whatever makes you happy. Exmouth, buddy-o! Exmouth! Beach! Thought I'd take you guys on a quick morning surf with me before heading back to Yardie Homestead to finish setting up our camper. Not a bad day on the hunt, pretty empty caravan park, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to go for a swing. Definitely worthwhile. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and all that kind of stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.